Welcome to this episode of Ask the Guitar Coach, the only podcast where you get answers to all your guitar-related questions. If you're interested in developing your guitar skills and reaching your music goals, please send me an email at the email address ioannis@ioannis.org. That is ioannis@ioannis.org, so that I can let you know about all the different packages of elite guitar coaching and how you can get private coaching by me. Without further ado, let's go to our question for the day. Do you like guitar players playing improvised solos, or do you prefer them to play the original solo of the song? Oh, here's a good question. That's a good one. I like this. Okay. So, it really depends on the song. Now, there are several classic rock songs. I mean, immediately on the top of my head, I can think of Smoke on the Water, like Sunshine of Your Love, several classic rock songs that I wouldn't really want to hear a different solo. It would be, for me, as if the singer would like change the words and start singing a different melody on top of the song. I would like to hear the specific solo with maybe very, very little variations that keep the structure of the solo, but maybe in a few places be like a cadenza for the player who's playing the guitar to show off his own unique skills, but like 90% should be the original solo. Now, on the other hand, there are several parts of even classic rock solos that don't serve a specific melodic purpose. So, for example, you have a series of fast pentatonic licks. This can be substituted with pretty much any other similar sounding pentatonic licks. You don't have to be exactly on the spot. But once again, you have to do, in my opinion, okay, because this is just my opinion, you have to do your due diligence. If it's a classic rock song that everybody knows and they know the guitar solo to the point where they're like singing it in the crowd, you should probably do the original guitar solo without worrying about doing your own thing. If you're enjoying this show and you want to be notified whenever a new video comes out, make sure you press subscribe right here, okay? And also press the notification bell so that you can get a notification every time we release a new video. And now, let's go back to our regular episode. So, all in all, I usually prefer the original solos with maybe a little variation to show off the player's skill there. A few years ago, I'm trying to remember the guy's name, but the band was Dokken. So, Dokken played in Greece and I went to watch them, and they had a really good guitar player, and what he was doing, he was playing the original guitar player's solos. The original guitar player is the amazing George Lynch. So he was playing his solos with very little variations here and there that actually were both a very good tribute to the original song and solo, but they also showed off his own unique skill every now and then. And I think this is probably the ideal solution. So there you have it. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you on the next episode of Ask the Guitar Coach. Until then, keep sending me your questions and I'll do my best to answer them in a future episode. Bye bye.